how to use free collage mode in Yoshion. So you have got a bunch of awesome photos and you want to put them together in a cool collage using the Yoshion app. Let's dive into it. It's super easy to use the free collage mode. It's all about giving you a total control. So first things first, open up your Yoshion app and find that collage option. I'm already inside it. Here you can see an option for the collage. As we are going to do it a free collage, you can just tap on this freestyle, which is right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Now, choose the photos that you want to add to the free collage mode. Here you can add up to 16 photos. Let's add only 4. Maybe there's 4. Then tap on next. You can add as much photo as you like. So here you can see 4 photos of mine. And it's totally freestyle. You can keep your photos wherever you want, like this. And down below here you can see an option for the photo edit section. So here you can restore, replace and crop and rotate your photos as you like, or just leave it as it is and use your 2 fingers and adjust your photos as you like. Let's keep it right over here, and maybe this one like this, and this right over here like this. And once you're happy with it, you can do other edits too. That means you can adjust the ratio, you can add the text, you can add the stickers, or you can paint your collage by using this paint option right over here. So this place over here is a playground for you. You can add the ratio that you like, the stickers that you like, the text that you want to add, and even paint it as you like. And if you want to add more photos, you can simply use this option right over here, that is add more photos to your collage too. And there's another thing too. If you want to delete it, simply tap on it and you can see a cross mark right over here and you can delete it. Now you can play around, experiment and create something uniquely yours by using the free collage mode of the Yoshion app. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, simply tap on the save button, which is right over here. Tap on it and it will be set. That's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.